Hello.
冰淇淋，冰淇淋，冰淇淋。
សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏ថាបាទទូ Pinchling Gaming ខ្ញុំមកវិញហើយបាទតោះយើងតទៅមុខទៀត
Bruh.
ទៅរកបាទសម្រាប់ថ្ងៃនេះផងដែរយើងចូលទៅបន្ត mission យើងបន្តទៀត start the next chapter ហើយជួបសៀសៀយើងឥឡូវហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវរត់ទៅមើល mission ដូចជាគេយើងទៅហុកខាគេទៅយក mission តទៀតណាជួបយូហ្គា
Hey, Naruto.
Huh? Iruka Sensei?
ហឺ
I heard you'd be back from your mission soon. So, how did it go?
not bad
Well,
we lost Granny Tsunade ច្រឡំ Granny ជាវអមមើលទៅចេញ Granny Tsunade
Bruh.
and we managed to return Gaara to normal somehow too. I was pretty happy, you know. Huh? What's wrong?
បាទអី
I was thinking. I bet ties between the leaf and the sand will grow even stronger now.
ทำถาม
Yeah,
ว่า
I bet you're right.
I tell you, the boy just keeps on growing.
Okay then, Iruka Sensei, I'm off.
ឡើង proud on the boy ណាតូមក
Alright then, keep doing your best, Naruto.
yeah
I will.
ហើយវា Iruka Sensei តោះមកដល់ភ្លាម Iruka សរសើរយើងហ្មងណាចង់ច្រាមតាមតម្លាក់តោះយើងទៅតទៀត I am a ninja from the hidden village អាស៊ូម៉ាបែកងាងតែឯងធ្វើអីចូលអេទុំយ៉ាជួបស៊ីកាម៉ារូជាប់កូនអាម៉ារូមកធ្វើអីនៅហ្នឹងហើយយើងឡើងទៅលើមកជួបដល់ហុកខាហ្គេរុំថក
Grandma Tsunade.
Naruto, you're back, are you?
yeah
So, got any new missions?
តើសុំ new mission មួយ
Just got here. Shouldn't you rest?
Naruto don't rest
Rested plenty. That's why I've got so much energy.
ត្រឹមត្រូវ
You're really something else.
So, do you have any missions?
Honestly. Hold on a minute. I'll have Shizune check.
អូខេ check ឲ្យមួយមកយ៉ាងចង់ធ្វើដែរ
Let's see. We have just one mission that Naruto could handle.
ជុំវាចេះ
Great, I'm on it.
អូខេនេះសាយខុយហ៎ Partner training him getting excited pair something gaining I'm not so weak I can't see told Johnny sorry in that case good luck on your mission into it ជុំគេឃើញណោះតោះយើងទៅទៀត mission ហ្នឹងគេឲ្យយើងទៅហាត់ជាមួយចូលនេះណែតោះណាតោអត់តាន់ខ្លាចជាជូននេះហ្នឹងអូណាគេនេះអូស្អាតរបស់គេនេះហេអូណាតោខ្ពស់ជាងទៀតហីយ៉ាខ្ពស់ជាងចាននឹងទៀតចាននឹងអត់មានឈ្មោះហងទៅកាយធ្វើអីទៅដល់ឆ្លងស្ពានមួយតើSakura បាត់ Kakashi បាត់ហើយចូល load ហើយយើងមកដល់ training ground ហើយយកឆ្កែខំចូលយកហើយមកកន្លែងនឹងវិញទៀតអីមកជួបណាគេមកជួបសៀ Ây da, chụp cái
Naruto?
Ê nhà ta Hima
No
Kamaru
mistake in that scent. It's Naruto, all right.
and
I knew it was you, Kiba. And Hinata.
kệ
Yeah,
kệ nói chi đâu chơi anh vậy ngơ rồi
You're,
ngờ vô
You
đời.
should at least try to remember your friends, or else it just hurts the other person's feelings.
Wait, that voice and that weird way of talking. Yeah, Shino, right?
You're telling me you only recognize me by my speech patterns?
Wow, does this ever take me back?
Mà
So you
đôi chuyện
finally
thêm
get
thế
back
này.
home and head straight to the sand. You got it pretty rough, don't you?
It's okay.
That aside, the fact that you're here means that you're the one we're supposed to be partnering up with.
Chung partner thừa vậy.
Yep, that'd be me.
I knew it. Well then, this is the perfect chance.
Okay.
Now we can test each other out.
Oh,
See how
bài
much
này không?
tougher everyone's gotten.
Don't be scared when you see how strong I am, Kiba.
Quit panicking, Hinata. Just follow our lead.
All right, I'm gonna let you have it.
Quay má nè. Chung buổi tối bay đói. Anh bảo gì? Ngồi chiêm dương to được. Á, gì đó. Thôi. Rồi. Lột bọc kia. Ê. Vô. Phân lửa Camaro mến. Thì ba. Ủa là tên cả này vô mũi ạ. Shuriken. Thì cha là tên gắn mũi ạ. Chồng mình đòi buộc. Trừ đế. Đặt tham bộ em. Bộc. Buông. Rong. Haiគ្នាមកជួយច្រើនណាបដួដាក់ last game មួយតែឯងrồi vôមើលđưa Racing gun with the nine tail ទៅបាត់ហើយ
Kiba, you guys are stronger too, but I win.
តោះយើងមកវិញទៀត
Man, oh man, he really did get stronger.
I'm surprised, frankly.
Well, my training was tough. If I'd gotten weaker, I would have thought there was something wrong with me.
Normally I'd want to go another round, but that's enough this time.
Yeah. The normally ទាំងបានអាណាទៅដល់nữa.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah. In the first place, we were only using the fight to reevaluate our tactics.
What? Was that all?
Trời.
It was great to be able to spar with you again.
Same here.
Okay. We'll go revise our strategy based on our missteps during that fight.
Well, looks like I've done all I can do.
Revise
here.
strategy.
Keep at it, you guys.
You bet. Next time, let's catch up over some ramen or something.
Sure.
គេទៅរៀនកន្លែងដែលគេ mistake គេ working ជា team ល្អមែន client ទូណាដែរអីយ៉ាហេតាបោះដង
That's it for this mission. I'll go report into Grandma Tsunade.
រំវាយគ្នាហើយបោកបេះដូងហេតាឲ្យទៀតលុយមែនហេតាក្រាស់ណាតូតាំងចៅហ្គេមដល់ក្នុងហ្គេមតោះយើងខ្ញុំចាំកាំងលើវាក្មេងណាតូនេះហេតាក្រាស់លើណាតូដល់ពេលខ្ញុំវិញក្រាស់លើហេតា ការមើលណាតូមកណាហេតា shoot ចយតែឥឡូវយើងធំអស់ហើយតែធំក៏យើងនៅតែ remember ក្រាស់របស់យើងហ្នឹងត្រូវអត់ចូលឆ្លងមានអមតៈមួយតទៀតយើងបាទការធ្វើដំណើរមួយនេះពិតជាវែងឆ្ងាយមែនតើពីក្នុងព្រៃទៅដល់ Hokage mention អាយ៉ាដល់មកជួបណាគេនេះ Shikamaru
I heard about the hidden sand. Sounds like you really did a lot.
Shikamaru, are you done with your work for the Chunin exam yet?
Chunin.
Yeesh. There's so many odd jobs that need doing. I never get any free time.
Okay.
Well, keep your nose to the grindstone.
You really think it's not your problem, don't you?
Hey, Shikamaru!
អាយ៉ាសំលេង It's Choji my boy.
Whoa! Huh? Naruto? Choji!
อยาก
So
จู
I
บหนึ่ง
got
อย่าง
back
นี้
from the sand just now.
Wow, that must have been rough.
Always eating, just like old times. You got even fat.
ไอ้ยะ
Who's there?
อ๋อ
So, you found me.
yeah new character is coming you know who that is you know who that
What's
is
he doing with all that murder in his eyes?
ชม
Is he taunting us?
Hey, who are you?
You're Naruto Uzumaki, aren't you? I know this is sudden, but I'm going to test your strength.
dạ
You're what?
một đầu quậy vô mà
Oh, come on. Not taking no for an answer? Choji, help me cover Naruto. Yeah!
Ây da. Mà chụp nè nếu mà anh quay nè lên tới nè trời chơi chúa nè thế là nhà xu đây mua được ây giờ ây dú toàn một cái à ủa vô Mystery Stranger một chấm chứ một chấm thì cái mày hả ủa vô thế trong thi cái trời bạc
We'll decide the match.
bạn bị kênh mà tao ơi tôi chưa bị kênh còn tên mình tôi đây Trời ơi da oh shit còn rồi này mọi người mai thằng mặc phim thăm bộ trong bậc ca ok vậy khen bài bạn là kiệt rồi vô nhỉ ôi 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 lần này tao ơi ôi cho ngõ bò kề đâu ngõ chuột
I won, but it's like you weren't even trying.
mày bị bạn tại bò kề mình là hả rồi châu phi khăm bộ mình trong sạp chăng ây da
What's with this guy?
You are weak.
Đúng
Who are you?
Manda.
You jerk!
mình biết ngõ bò kề nhưng mà cái thằng you are weak
In due time, Naruto, you may learn my name in due time.
okay bye
Who in the...
Choji, I knew I would find you here.
dạ
Huh?
lấy thôi rồi đó
Asuma says he's getting pretty mad and wants you to get a move on.
Sorry, Ino. Some
Ino.
weirdo just came and attacked us.
Huh? What weirdo? Hey, wait. Isn't that Naruto?
No, when I said weirdo, I didn't mean Naruto.
Hey, Naruto! Long time no see.
dạ
Don't even bother, Choji. This whole situation's such a drag.
such a drag chuột niềm đâu
So that's what happened?
That guy. I've never seen him before. What was that all about?
Oh, there you are.
chơi chơi ino á chùm tôi lấy mấy đó ồ
Huh? Sakura? Did you... Not from you.
dạ dạ
I was looking for Naruto.
Me? What for?
I've got a message from Lady Tsunade. She wants you to come to the mansion and meet our new team member.
ây da
A new team member? What's this about?
She says she'll fill us in. Anyway, we're going to the mansion.
Okay.
sơ bài cho từng new member đó là tôi
Don't let your guard down. Something about this smells wrong.
Got that right.
got that right dạ new chapter mà
Their reunion.
there in union okay let's go to the chapter 2 guys we are in the story now
Go on, hurry up and go to Lady Tsunade.
I got it already.
mà không coi cái này lượng này là chân đó cho còn như để chụp lên đi xuống nát đề ê bà con tiếp đó nhỉ
Well, I'd say we gotta find some new teammates.
biết nhiều team mate
Hello.
Do you know Naruto already, son?
Dạ, chàng chúng ấy đó.
Yes.
Sai vậy.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry about earlier. But you see, I knew we were going to be teammates, and I wanted to see how strong you were.
ជាតែសមត្ថភាពណា
And
តូទៀត
me?
That's right. You and Sai are going to work as a team from now on.
What?
thôi
And I'm going to have Yamato lead our new Team 7.
New Team 7
Yamato, who's...
Looking forward to working with you.
យ៉ាចេញយ៉ាងមកធំមក
Wait, just hang on. What about Kakashi-sensei?
Kakashi hasn't completely recovered from the last mission,
អឺ
but your new mission can't wait for him to recover.
ណាកាកាឈីដេកបែប
So
ដែរ
Sai and I have been chosen to round out the team.
អូខេ
No way.
All right. Moving on. Your current mission mainly involves surveillance and capture.
Capture?
The
Jump.
details are, well, Sakura, you can fill them in.
មីសិនតវិសាកា
Of course.
ដល់ពេលសាសរីប្រាប់នេះ
Earlier, when we fought against Sasori of the Akatsuki, we learned that he had a spy working under Orochimaru. Sasori and his spy had arranged to meet at Tenchi Bridge in the Hidden Grass
Tenchi
sometime in the next
Bridge.
few days.
in the hidden craft
I see, but it's conceivable that it might be an Akatsuki trap.
អូខេ
Absolutely. But the information that's at
Absolutely.
stake is vital. We can't afford to waste
អូ
this
វាយអូ
opportunity.
វាយថច្រឡំវាយរល
We stand to learn a great deal about Orochimaru's doings, and more importantly, about Sasuke Uchiha.
សាស្កេអូឈីហ
About Sasuke?
សាស្កេប្លេណាតូ
Sasuke Uchiha. If I remember right, he was a member of Team Kakashi 3 years ago, before he sought power from Orochimaru.
In any case, you are to go to Tenchi Bridge, apprehend the spy, and bring him back to the Leaf.
អូខេ
Understood.
bring him back bring ណាសាស្កេ
Sasuke.
ចាប់សាស្កេមកវិញ
Hey, this'll be a breeze. I can go without lunch. No problem.
ចំណន់ Team 7ហាត់មួយកាកាឈីទៅបង
Here.
Yeah
Why
នេះ
me?
វាជួបសាប៊ូសាសាប៊ូសាមួយឈ្មោះបាត់
You should have just minded your own business.
How should I know? My body just moved on its own.
Yeah cool
Naruto, you're one of the people I want to fight.
when I like
Naruto.
Yeah?
បានជួប
We absolutely can't mess up on this mission.
អូខេ mission តទៅមួយសាស្កេអីហើយយកបានសាយមួយ
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情就比冰淇淋速度与激情就我最喜欢，所以。